Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for all the support on the previous videos. That means so much to me. That means a lot to me actually, because especially on this brand new channel. I was actually shocked when my first video reached like 1,000 or 700 and 1,000 and 3,000, and then the last video was at 9,000. I'm honestly super grateful for all that and all your guys' support. I will be doing more Tesla videos as well as other things like Pokemon card openings, just vlogging my days with my girlfriend, my work, especially because right now I'm actually doing a lot of jobs in a weird way. I have a lot of things going on, a lot of side hustles you can say, so I can definitely vlog that and document that and let you guys know how my process is. If that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe and like, and let me know what you guys want to see, what other videos. Comment below and let me know what I can do better. So today we're going to be talking about 5 things that Tesla needs to do just by software updates to compete with the Apple car. So the number one thing I want Tesla to do, and I think everybody wants to do, is the most basic, is the most simplest update. Allow us to get our updates not through Wi-Fi, but on the actual LTE that they have. So if we would disconnect from here, wait, is it gonna work? I don't even know how to disconnect it. Like, let us update our Wi-Fi through LTE. If we are paying for LTE, we should be able to use that LTE to get our updates, not have to wait to get to your house or a public Wi-Fi area. Take forever to download. Well, you should be able to download it as you're driving. Now for the second thing, going back to the LTE, I want to use my LTE as a hotspot for my passengers and for me when I'm in the car in the middle of charging or something. Now I do have unlimited, but I know some of my passengers, some of my friends don't have unlimited data on their phones, and they feel like, oh, you know, like, crap, I need to go to a Wi-Fi or something. What I think is the solution for that is just make it hotspot. I mean, most cars already have hotspots in their car. We're already paying for the LTE, and might as well, you know, allow it to open, because I know that when Apple comes out, they're gonna allow that. Everybody knows that. But this is my preference. I know Tesla's doing a good job, but I want some more customization. I love how simple it is. I love everything about this, but I want some customization. Like, I want, instead of having blue buttons, I want to change those to red. I want to change those to orange. I want to change that to blue, you know, to light blue or purple or navy. Like, I want to change the way the background is. I want some more customization how I want my Tesla to look. That's something I feel like Tesla should be able to do. It doesn't take much, and now it keeps away the simplicity, but at the same time, it gives customization. And I know Apple's going to be working on that when they come out. Like, that's the main thing that Tesla is lacking on their UI system. This is number 4. Like I said, most of these updates do not require any hardware updates that I know of. I'm not a programmer. From what I did my research on, these don't really require any hardware updates. This is just software. Now I do think that their games are fun and whatever, but I want apps. Give me an app store. Give me an app store where third-party creators are able to play with the software and build better ecosystem. You know, Apple has a big ecosystem with their Apple products, the Apple's apps just in general, their app store. That's literally the reason why Apple is huge. Their app store is amazing, and they do a really good job with that. And I think Tesla should do something like this. They need to branch off, allow Disney Plus to work on the AUI for, you know, build an app for them. Allow other parties to do it for you. I don't know why they don't do it. I'm pretty sure there's certain reasons for it. And this, like I said, this is my opinion. This is my thoughts on what Tesla needs to do to be at a higher margin than all the other cars, not just through self-driving and all that, but also app stores. We need to build an app community. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like I said, we need third-party apps immediately. I want to download certain things like calculators, anything, a utility thing, organization, a checklist. You know, I want to download Google emails. I want to check my emails on here. I don't want to go to the web every single time. I want to get notifications. I want to build more of an iPad type of thing of a tablet that it's usable for work. Now, you know, we have calendars already, but I want to go to a calculator. I want to go to a checklist. I want to go to my Asana. I want to go to my Slack. I want to go to all my organization apps that I use for work. I want that to be a third-party app that I can use on here that automatically syncs from your Tesla to your phone or what actual profile, and allow developers to play and make the Tesla better. You know, there's a lot of things that we are lacking, and not to say it in a bad way, but I really love Tesla and I think they're doing a really good job, but I want more little tiny features, little tiny things that go a long way. You know what I'm saying? And that's going to lead me to the next topic. Another thing that I want is Tesla to allow us to build and plan our route for the day. I want to know if I'm going to be able to make it do all my errands in one charge all day. I want to be able to mark my spots, marking everything as in, hey, I need to go to store. You go to store, right? And then it's like, oh, after that store, I need to go to the mail, you know, the post office. And then after that, I need to go to Atlanta, look at a job site. I need to go here and plan out all my stop, and then allow it to calculate if I'm gonna need a charge or if I'm gonna be able to make it back. One of the things that I've figured out is kind of annoying is that, yeah, you can go on a far drive and then you don't know if you're gonna make it back with the same amount because you had to stop somewhere else, and then you have to find a supercharger on the way. So I would definitely want some organization and add destination stops. Like, for example, if I want to go to the outlets, let's go to the outlets. Then after that, I want to go to Sam's Club, right? And then for some reason, I'm like, oh gosh, I forgot I need to get something at Lowe's. And then they didn't have something at Sam's Club, so I need to go to Costco. So I wanted to plan it all out, and then I have to go to Walmart. And at the very end, I need to go home. So am I gonna have enough charge to do all that in a day? Obviously this is just an example, but like, you know, in a full day, imagine this is more spread out. I definitely want all that planned out in the morning, in the day. You know, when you get in your car, you type it all in, you know, am I gonna make my kids to soccer practice, you know? So it definitely adds a more utility for me, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people will enjoy it too, because I'm like, oh, I need to go to Six Flags, then I need to go to Walmart, and then I need to go over here. So it's like, I don't know if I'm making sense here, but hopefully I am. And that saying, like, I only have a supercharger all the way over here, so am I gonna make it to all this and have enough to make it to the supercharger, or is that impossible? Or I might have to go to Costco and then Walmart and then go supercharge and then go all the way to Six Flags and then all the way back home. So that being said, guys, that's pretty much it. So let me know how I did. It's five main things that I think that Tesla needs to update as soon as possible to have a bigger lead for any electric cars that are coming out, any cars in general. But mainly everybody's talking about the Apple car and how it's gonna be like the main competitor to Tesla. I feel like that's what Tesla needs to do. Allow LTE update software downloads. Allow LTE hotspots from your Tesla, like most cars do now. Add some customization. Allow us to change the way the car looks, you know, the way it looks in the software. If you want, instead of having black, you want a blue background, go for it, you know what I'm saying? So allow us to add some more customization to the car. It's nothing too crazy, it's just simple little things, you know. I'm not asking for like be able to change my face on the background, but no, I'm asking for like, I want a different color scheme, you know what I'm saying? Add some color templates in there. I will definitely like to play with that. As I said, we need to build an app store. Tesla needs to build an app store and allow the community to build apps for them. And if those apps do well, Tesla should implement that into the car with the stock, you know what I'm saying? Allow all these new updates and apps that come out to be a part of Tesla, right? When you get your Tesla, you don't need to download a calculator. When you get your Tesla, you don't need to download a multi-destination app, you know what I'm saying? And calculate if you're gonna make it or not. And that leads to my fifth one, a multi-destination app, or a multi-destination navigation system. That's a big word. Multi-destination navigation system. Huh. Mouth. That's a mouthful. But like I said, those are my 5 things. If I miss something, if you guys think there's something that we need in the software, let us know. I'll definitely make another video. I'll literally do more research, because this is from just owning a Tesla in about a month. It's about to be a month right now, and these are all the little things I noticed, and I'm like, man, Tesla could be really on top of their game if they allow apps, you know, just apps in general, because people make utility apps, and then once the utility, everybody's downloading those utility apps, normally Apple or Google, they're like, you know what, we need to add that app to our hardware, to our actual software, therefore people don't need to download that app, you know. So I feel like allowing multiple developers in the system is definitely going to create more solutions to the little problems that we have. It doesn't hurt to open up a whole app store. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how I did. Like I said, comment below what other videos you want to see, because I have a couple. I have literally a whole list of Tesla videos that are coming out. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.